Hello together! Today I want to show you how to extend your storage with a microSD card on your Samsung Galaxy A33 5G. Before we insert the microSD card, just take a look at the settings. I click on settings and then we go way down until we are at the point battery and device care. I click on it and here you have the information for storage 100 gigabytes available. I click on it and you can see, okay, at the moment it's 21% used from 128 gigabytes. I have some audio, I have system and other files. Okay, now let's take a look at the microSD card. This is a standard microSD card. You can buy it everywhere and it has 32 gigabytes of storage in it. You can buy also a microSD card with 1 terabyte, so it's you can just choose whatever you want to have. Okay, now we have this one and we must put this microSD card in the SIM card tray. It's at the top, it's where you put your SIM card in it, and of course we need again our SIM card ejection tool, and this is in our box. And when I open the box, you will find the SIM card ejection tool here. It's a special needle which fits perfectly in this little hole. If you don't find your box or you have lost your SIM card ejection tool, you can just use this good old paperclip. And I will now use this paperclip to open the tray. And when I open it, then you will see here, check SIM card SD card tray. That's okay. And now we have here our tray. This place is for the SIM card, and here you can put in a second SIM card or a micro SD card. And when I want to put in my micro SD card, there's only one way this micro SD card fits in it, so you can do nothing wrong. So everything's pretty easy, and all we have to do is to take care that this hole is as the same side as this hole. So I'll just put it in and press down. And that was it. And to take a look if everything worked, we just have to go again to the settings, and then we again go to the battery and device care and to storage. And now again we can see the internal storage, but here we can see new two little circles. And then when I swipe to the left, you can see here SD card. So I can switch between the internal storage and the SD card. And you can see 0% used from 29.71 gigabytes. And so I can now choose if I want to save my images on my internal storage or on my SD card. It's very interesting, and it's very good to put in your videos on the SD card, because videos are quite big, and also installation files, for example. So you can now use your SD card without filling up your internal storage. And remember, you have here 128 gigabytes, and you can put in a micro SD card with 1 terabyte. So this is a pretty cool option to extend your storage. Yes, that was it. How to extend your storage with an SD card on your Samsung Galaxy A33 5G. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye.